Nation. Man, what it is. Man, we back up in here, man, with another one of them things, man. And guess what? We got some packages in, man. So what I need y'all to do, man, is go ahead, if you ain't already, man, go ahead, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Consider hitting the subscribe button. Man, like, comment, share, man. Tap that notification bell, man, so y'all ain't gotta be waiting when I post. It's gonna come right to you when I post. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on. MayRose sitting out here with the hood up. But that ain't what the package is for. Got y'all ass. But nah, for real, I got some packages for the Cam-Dawg, man. Y'all see what the Cam-Dawg got going on, man. We finna do something with the Cam-Dawg, man. We finna get rid of these holes right here. Now she got that fresh paint on the bumper, so we finna get rid of them holes. And man, we finna go on in, man, with the with some other little things, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let me go in here and get the boxes, man. I gotta get the boxes. I gotta take my address and stuff, all this stuff out for it, man. Y'all know that. Do all that. Let y'all see what we got, man. Y'all know how we do around here, man. So yeah, let me grab these boxes. Yeah, so they go the harness for the fog lights. I think I gotta come from the bottom and put some screws in it, cause it don't screw to that. So I'm gonna have to put some screws in it from the back, and then I got this little button. The little button came with the kit. If you got a Camry, man, or whatever, you know they got these little things up here. These little dummy things stuck in there. Yeah, your button just go in like that. You know what I'm saying? Stick your button in there. Look like it's factory. Cool little kit, man. So I'm about to see what I can do. This shouldn't be hard, cause it ain't nothing but it's nothing but a power and a ground. So you just find a power. That's a power right there. Find your hot, something that's hot, put it on there, which I can really put it on the damn battery. Put that on the battery. Nah, I don't want to put it on the battery because the battery always hot. So I want to put it on a key power. So the fog lights only come on with the key. And you know, they got your two grounds. They got a ground here, and this right here is that goes to a fog light. That goes to a fog light. This goes to your relay, which the relay is included. You get relay right here. You got your relay. This plugs into the relay. This plugs into your button. Now I just gotta find out how to run it through the car. Run it up through the car to get to the button. That's gonna be the problem, but we'll figure it out. Something small to a giant, we'll figure it out. Pull the copy back, see what we got in there. I'm pretty sure they got. If they giving me this, it's something in there that I can run it through that'll make it work. So, cause I ain't gonna have the switch up under the car. I'm up under the hood. So, yeah. Got relay and fuses right here. So whatever is hot with the key, put it with that. Or, nah, I could though. I could run it with I could run them hot, but I don't want to do that though. Like, I don't want to be hot all the time. I don't want the fog lights to be hot all the time. I want the Jeep fog lights hot all the time. Is fog lights hot all the time? Let me go check real quick. Hold on. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I see the key in my hand. And the fog lights are actually hot, man. They hot all the time. I didn't know that. See, yeah, I see it. Yeah. Yeah, they hot all the time, man. So I can put them on the battery and it should be fine. It got a fuse on it. And it got a relay. So if something blow, it's gonna stop it. So which it shouldn't blow. I need to clean this battery up. Do that today. Clean that battery up. Then I'm gonna get down off in this car, man, and see how to run these fog lights, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. If I don't do it though, if I don't do it, we still got the other 4 lights in. I'ma just, you know what I'm saying? Probably I still gotta get something to mount them fog lights. I mean to mount them lights though. I gotta get something to mount them still. So yeah. I can put some, like I said, I put them screws in there though. It's gonna stay in like it's a fog light. Like it's not, what is it gonna do? It ain't gonna come out. Can't go nowhere. So yeah, let me see, man. It's almost time for me to go and pick the baby up. Let me see what I can come up with. Hit y'all back. Okay. So we had some minor fitment issues, but we got it in there. So we got one side in. Y'all can see the LED bulb is in there. Now I'm gonna come over here, put this side in. Hopefully I ain't got no fitment issues, but if I do, yeah, whatever. I don't even know the name of this company, but these wires, they too short. So I'm gonna have to extend this wire for the button that goes on the inside, so this part here can stay outside the car, like the fuse and the relay and all that. Like I don't want that inside the car, so I'm gonna just I'm about to mega extend this so I can run it through. It's a little grommet back here somewhere. The guy said it was a grommet in there, so looked it up on YouTube. I seen that, so yeah, I'm gonna extend this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wires on. I mean, not the wires, but the lights on the tag light and the reverse light. Yeah, let me go ahead and knock this side out right quick. Hit y'all back. Yo. So man, yeah, forgive me please. I'm on my cell phone because some kind of way the footage on my camera got something and it won't. I don't know what's going on right now. But anyway, so what I was trying to say was I got some upgrades for the Cam-Dawg, man. I got some upgrades for the Cam-Dawg. Man, we got the whole new front end look on this thing, man. So what I'm finna show y'all exactly what I got going on. The video probably gonna be choppy, man, because I don't know what I got and what I don't got. So I'm just finna go over everything that I done. I'm finna go over everything that I done, you know what I'm saying, and all the stuff that came with what I got going on now. So flip this phone around, man, so y'all can see what's going on. Bam. So if y'all didn't notice at first, we didn't have these, man. We didn't have them on the Cam-Dawg. It was just some open holes there. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go ahead and get all right, man, because I ain't want the mouth to be tore out like that. So we did that right there, man. We also did some light upgrades, man. You really can't see it right now, but I'm gonna hit the lights for you, man, so y'all can see it. High beams and low beams, man. And we got LED everything, man. LED headlights, headlights, low beams, high beams, and fog lights. The fog lights are not hooked up right now because the wire was too short. But how the kit came, it came with this wire. I mean, all these wires right here. I just bunched them off to the side real quick. You know what I'm saying? So that I could get to them because I got to extend them. But it came with a whole harness. It also came with a fog light button. Came with a fog light button that goes inside the car. If you got one of these cars or you got a Camry or something like that, man, they got little spaces in here, man, that you can actually use for like auxiliary stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but it was a little tab right there. I took that tab out, the button fit right in there. So what I gotta do is extend this wire with the green connect on it. I gotta extend it because it's not long enough to go inside the car. So I'm gonna wire the button up that way inside the car. Well, of course I'm gonna wire it up inside the car, but I gotta run it through. It's a little grommet back here on this side. I'm gonna run it through there, extend the wires, and then reconnect them on the inside of the car. Push this button in, it just push right in, push it in, connect this to the back of it, or run the wires through there, connect to the back of it, then push it in, and then we'll be all good. Also, I got the tag lights and the reverse lights, because the tag lights that I had, they was bad. One of them was blinking, and the other one, well, the other one was fine, but one of them was blinking, and I covered them tags. But I got these reverse lights, man, because she was still incandescent on everything. I also got some new interior lights too. So, without further ado, man, let y'all see these headlights, man. Well, let me see. Okay, the drive light's not gonna come on right now because the car not on. But them the headlights, them the low beams, them the high beams. I'm gonna set the phone up over here so y'all can see. She coming like MayRose now, man. She coming like MayRose with the LEDs, man. Let me see if I'm gonna set my phone up it. I ain't got my tripod on my out here with me, so y'all bear with me, man. Oh, use this. Let me see. That should be good. Set that up like that. That should be good. Set that up. Let y'all see these high beams, man. Woo! That thing look good, boy. Now, let me see what it was showing. Yeah, this should have been good. Hopefully it was good. I hope it was. So now let me show y'all, man, the reverse lights. Like I said, I still gotta hook up the fog lights. So put this button in my pocket. I'm gonna turn these oh yeah, I can just turn the lights on and y'all see them tag lights. Hold on, let me see. Y'all see how bright them tag lights is? That's the tag light. That's the tag light, bro. Stand right here. Y'all can see them tag lights. I ain't gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna get too far, man. Y'all be looking at the tag number and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, them tag lights. Let me hit these reverse lights for you one time. See this light here blinking, man. I did something to it. When I was messing with it one day, and it's been blinking ever since. So look, y'all finna see when the reverse lights come on. Watch this. Headlights in the back, man. Man, it's lighting up down the street. That's the reverse light. I see how bright that light is. Versus them incandescent bulbs. Man, I wish y'all could have seen the light on that car that just passed by. But it's lighting up across the street. That light going across the street, man. Let me see. Man, that light going across the street. Yes, sir. So she shouldn't have no problem seeing, backing up. She shouldn't have no problem seeing in front of her. Show y'all the thing one more time. No problem. Whatever the situation. But yeah, man. I just wanted to show y'all that, share that footage with y'all, man. Upgrade for the Cam-Dawg. We ain't finna do too much to it. I want to get some Camry wheels. I think they 17s or 18s. I want to get those. And that's gonna be pretty much it for this car. You know what I'm saying? Cause this right here this joint here, you know what I'm saying? We just ride around. Well, she just ride around this joint. It ain't, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no, this the gas saver. So this just, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no custom car. So, I'm gonna get my dog Damon. Over here, man. To help me clean these headlights up, man. Get all that oxidation off of them. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. That's why I'm coming with them, man. So, yeah, man, that's about it. So let me put my video back to where it was and show y'all what was going on, man, after that. Cause like I said, I don't know what happened to my footage, man, but yeah, I wanted to show y'all that, man. Appreciate y'all for viewing, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, holding it down with me, man. Whew. I had to give me some antifreeze, man. Give me a little antifreeze. But yeah, man, for the most part, man, it's wrapped up. Like I said, like I aforementioned, it's wrapped up, man. The fog lights are installed. They just need to be wired. That's it. Y'all seen the tag light, y'all seen the reverse lights, y'all seen the headlights, y'all seen the high beams. Alright, we over here working. Next, I got some more stuff coming in too, so I'm waiting on that to come in. But yeah, man, until next time, man. In the meantime, in between time, it's your boy B-Lo Nation, man. We up out of here.